It is time for another hotel check-in. We're checking in at Hilton Fairfax in Fairfax, Virginia. Let's take a quick tour, shall we? So upon entering, you have the living area. And as soon as you walk in, to your left is the coffee maker and cups. I think there's a fridge in here. There is a fridge. Okay, it's a good size fridge. If you have take out food or drinks, you could put it in there. Nice thing is already they're equipped with power USB to charge your phones. And in the living area, you got a nice table. If you're working, eating, whatsoever, let's see how the couch feels. Okay, couch feels comfortable. If you're working, you can just pull this up closer to you, which I'll do that. And you have the TV in front of you, and I believe that TV swivels so it can flip over facing the bed and flip facing the living room area. And over here there's a lamp here, and this is how you increase the power. Oh, and they also have USB charging in here. Very thought out in that one. We're on the 6th floor and we get a pretty decent view. Okay, it's been raining, so you get a little water spots in the window. It's nice and cool in here. Okay, yeah, nice big mirror. Oh, before I go even further, I think this is another room that you can access. So if you have other guests staying in that room, they can come through here. Okay, and we go to the window. Oh, sorry, we go through the bed area. See how I told you the TV swivels? So you can flip it around, so when you're in the bed, you can watch TV while you're in the bed. Okay, let's explore this area. This is a nice, good size. Okay, here you have the phone, and you got the lamp here with power and USB as well. Got drawer space here if you need it. It's nice decor on the top. Okay, here's another lamp with USB. Here's a bit more modern one. Check this out. Power, Type C, USB. So that has a Type C. That definitely will charge the phone a lot faster. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Hey. So in the bathroom, we have hand soap, face towels, hand towels. You got body lotion, got tissue, got a blow dryer there, and extra toilet paper. Here they'll equip you with an extra pillow, a steamer, hangers, extra blanket and sheets, and if you need, you the safe and more storage space. It's a nice bathroom. So it's a stand-up shower. There's no tub. Ooh, my favorite. Okay, you got the shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. And that is the stand-up shower. Okay, they equip you with 2 towels and a floor towel there. All right, that's about it for this hotel check-in. A quick 360. It's a great looking hotel. So this is the lobby. They have a restaurant here. That's where you check in. Here in this hallway, they have meeting and event space. This is their meeting and event space. There's nothing going on right now, but in the hallways over there is where they have like events and meetings. There's an on-location ATM if you need. They have a pantry here that you can buy snacks, drinks, or cold foods, maybe? No, ice cream, snacks, sweets. Over there, I believe, is the breakfast area.